Thank you for choosing the Usha NutriChef Power Blender BL3470. The Usha NutriChef Power Blender is made for the tougher kinds of usages, be it for heavy-duty blending of tough ingredients or simply for time-involving functions. Innovatively designed using only the highest quality of materials and components, your Usha Power Blender is a one-stop solution. Its premium brushed black stainless steel finish makes it look just as good as it functions, so you may not be able to take your eyes off it. It has 6 speed settings with a turbo mode to help you with all your needs, and also comes with a 2-year warranty. We will take you through the parts that make up this amazing blender. It is equipped with a powerful 700-watt motor capable of carrying out the toughest blending operations with utmost ease and in no time. This see-through 1.5-liter glass jar gives you more control over your blending operations. Simply place the jar onto the motor unit and lock it in place, like this. Match the arrows to lock the jar in place. The top lid features a transparent removable cup that enables you to add ingredients while blending. The control panel on the Usha Power Blender comes with 7 speed settings to help you blend or crush various ingredients. Use the turbo mode to crush ice or frozen fruits. An LCD panel with touch buttons gives you clearer visibility and monitoring, so you can actually enjoy the operation while performing it. This is the power button, which switches the blender on and off. The turbo mode button gives the blender speed. The start-stop button starts or stops the operation. The select button helps you choose between 6 different speed settings. The indicator here displays the various modes. Speed 1 for mixing. Speed 2 for chopping. Speed 3 for blending. Speed 4 for liquidizing. Speed 5 for puree. Speed 6 is specially designed to crush ice for slushes, mocktails or cocktails. Now that you are well versed with the basics of the Power Blender, it's time to start blending. Let's begin with some simple mixing with Speed 1. To make garlic and rosemary vinaigrette, add the ingredients to the jar and close the lid. Switch on the power. Select Speed 1 and press Start to get the perfect dressing for your next salad. For a healthy banana and raspberry smoothie, add the ingredients to the jar and close the lid. Select Mode 3 and press Start. A default timer of 120 seconds is automatically set as blending begins. To add more ingredients during the blending process, you can use the top cup. Do remember to keep the top cup locked while starting or stopping operations. You no longer need a different appliance for your citrus fruits like oranges and sweet limes. Peel and add oranges to the jar and close the lid. Select Mode 4 and press Start. In no time and with almost zero effort, you have a glass of healthy juice in your hand. Homemade purees are always better than packaged ones. To make tomato puree, put tomato halves into the jar and secure the lid. Select Mode 5 and press Start. Your delicious homemade puree is ready in no time. Crushing ice is now easy. Simply add ice to the blender jar and close the lid. Select Mode 6 and press Start. And in no time you have crushed ice to add to your beloved mocktails and cocktails. Keep your blender clean and hygienic all the time. Here is an easy way to do it. To clean the jar, add some water and mild liquid soap into it. Close the lid. And use the turbo mode to operate the machine at maximum speed. Detach the jar and rinse. You can also detach the blades to clean them separately. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions regarding the functions, controls and safety of your Usha Power Blender, please refer to the product manual. Happy blending!